another live streaming app that pays you daily. Yes, the name of this live stream is Gamet. Yeah, Gamet has audio and video live streaming. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in, how to do verification, how to perform your tasks, and how to claim your reward. So stick to this video and know how to do those things that I am telling you now. Yes, Gamet live stream is very sweet live streaming app. If you're the type that doesn't like to show your face, you go for audio. If you're the type that loves live streaming, you go for video. The sweet part of it is that their reward is different. For video live streaming, you get 10,000 reward daily once you finish your live streaming. While on audio, you get 6,000 reward. So it's left for you to choose the one that you want. So after downloading this app, the next thing is to sign in with your Google account. You put your picture, you put your age and everything, then it will take you to this side. Then you tap here. Once you tap here, you will see my wallet, store, my family title, medal, CP, and all those things here. So for you to register on this app, you need to join agency. No agency, no tax. You get it? So you see my agency here. Once you tap my agency, okay, it will tell you to input your agency ID and your picture. So you put my ID, see my ID 7269. That is my ID. You input it, then you input a very beautiful or handsome picture. Yes, because this app is for both gender, both male and female. So men in the house, don't panic, you are included in this one. Okay, it's not only for women. So after doing that, you come here, you see where they write certification here. I've done it. That is why you won't see it on my own. You see certification. Once you see certification, tap it. That is where you put down my agency ID, and you put your beautiful or handsome picture to get started on this app. Yes, without it, without joining agency, without doing your face authentication, that certification, you will not see any tax. So after doing that, they will accept it. Then you come here, they tap reward. Once you tap reward, you will see daily new host and video party. Yes, why you're not seeing new host here now is because my new host task is finished. So you see daily, you see new host, and you see video or audio. So these are the tasks you do for daily to earn tons of coin. Then this is video or party. In video, you get 10,000 beans after live streaming for 2 hours. Then in audio, you get 6,000 beans after live streaming for 2 hours. The reward is automatic. You cannot claim it by yourself. So after performing your live stream, their new day is by 5 p.m. Nigerian time. So you come here to my wallet. This share you're seeing here is coin, and this bean is your money. So once it reach 70,000 beans, you can withdraw through coin seller. Yeah, it's $5. Then if you want to withdraw by yourself, you are allowed to reach $10. You can withdraw by yourself. Even when it reaches $10, if you want to withdraw through coin seller, you can withdraw. But once it reaches $10, you can withdraw by yourself. Okay, let me show you withdraw. So you will see your withdrawal method here. Okay, you see withdrawal method here. Select bank. You select your bank type here. You see ePay, you see USDT, Binance, Pioneer, Wallet, and bank here. So once you reach $10, that is when you can make use of these ones. But if you really have $5, you can withdraw it through your coin seller. Okay, so this is how to do it here. Then if you want to go to your room, if it is audio, this is where you see, after following, you see party, then you see my room. Once you tap it, it take you to the either audio or video party you choose, or game. Then you put your room title, you put your room announcement, you choose your tag. Is it all or chatting, birthday party, singing, game, anyone? Then if it is game, you choose the game. You tap enter and enter your room. Okay, as you can see, I am on my room right now. You tap, you sit down on your room, stay here for 2 hours. Okay, after 2 hours, you end your live stream. So for you to check if the 2 hours have completed or not, you come here, you come your host center. this is where you will see it. Yes, as you can see, today I've not done my live stream. So if it is video live, you see here how many hours you have done. If it is up to 2 hours, you see 2 hours and here. If it is audio, you see duration 2 hours and here. You understand? Any gift you got, you see it here. If you play game, you see your reward. If you gift yourself, you see your reward. If you gamble, you see your reward here. Okay, so that's it. That's how to go about this app. All right, their authentication is just picture, beautiful or handsome picture. Yeah, no agency, no tax. All right, and make sure that while downloading this app, put my invitation code. It is there. It is on my description or at the screen. It's displaying on the screen right now, or on my comment section. You see it. Put it there. Okay, so this is how to perform tasks and do everything on this app. Okay,